So this is very, very simple, and it comes without batteries, so you'll need 2 AA batteries, and there's just a button. This is a pink color. There's multi-colors, and this one will be pink. I'll shut the light off here in a second. So that is just, it just stays on, and then it has a pulse, and then there's a pulse that's faster, and then off. So let me shut the light off. Let me shut this other light off, because I have a green light. Here we go. It's pretty bright. Very cool. Very cool. So there you go. And then turn it off. So very, very simple. And it has a little, this little thing so you can clip that somewhere if you'd like. And I hope that helps. And you have yourself a wonderful day.